Hi, good morning everyone. I'm David with Selman Home Inspections. I want to talk with you briefly about 7 ways you can avoid hiring a blind home inspector. The first is hire a full-time inspector, someone whose business and livelihood depends on satisfaction of clients like you. Part-time home inspectors simply don't put in the hours and the time needed to thoroughly be able to perform home inspections. The second thing would be education and training. We're responsible for evaluating the systems and components of a home, and it's just very important that we all have the right education and training. We go above and beyond what the TREC requirements are for training our inspectors every year, and I myself am actually a TREC certified trainer for home inspectors. My guys are trained by me even if they come from one of the top schools. So certifications are important, but there is nothing better than experience, education, and professional ongoing training. You want a home inspector that uses advanced technology. As you can see here behind me, we use drones, we use thermal imaging cameras, all of the latest and highest technology to inspect your home and reach those places that other inspectors simply can't get to. Professional inspection reports. Normally, I think our home inspection average is somewhere, depending on the age of the home, between 50 and 70 pages. If you're getting a home inspection that's 20 pages, 15 pages, or handwritten, those kinds of things, just not a professional inspection. You also want to check on how long an inspection company's been around or been in business. I've been a home inspector for almost 10 years now. I am a certified master home inspection through NACHI, so I've met the qualifications and have that certification. We've been around a long time. We've been very successful. And lastly, I want to make sure that you see what other home buyers and agents have to say about a home inspection and home inspection company. We have tons of online reviews and really welcome you guys to go and check out our online reviews. And nothing speaks better than our clients. So if the inspector you're considering doesn't meet these qualifications, we recommend that you look for someone who does, and I believe Selman Home Inspection would be a good fit for you. So thanks and have a good day. We look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.